In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom navigation bar for your Canva website. So this is how this is going to look. You can transfer between any page you want, and it also includes smooth animations, which is not going to be talked about in this video, but we're just going to focus on the custom navigation bar here. So to get started, I'm going to just delete everything that I already have for the navigation bar. So I'm just going to delete everything here, just like that. And now we're going to get started on actually making the navigation bar. So you can just start designing it however you want. So I'm just gonna make a text for the logo. You can make it also a picture if you want. It doesn't really matter. Let's go to learn fix. I'm gonna make it 30. And let's position it right here. And now I'm going to duplicate this, and this is going to act as my first navigation element. I'm going to make this 12 font size. When you make something 12 font size in the Canva design itself, when you actually transfer this to a website, is going to be 16 pixel font size, which is usually the default font size for websites. So this is very convenient to make it 12. I'm going to change the font real quick, and let's change the text here to be about. So as you can see, I'm just doing it normally. I'm just designing it just like designing any other website or any other design in Canva. I'm gonna change this to learn, just like it was before, and I'm gonna add one more, which is called suggest a video. That's it. Those are my three elements or navigation items that we are going to be able to click. Also, the logo is going to be one of them. The logo is going to take us back here, which is the home page. And I'm going to add one more thing, which is a line underneath everything. This is going to make it neat and separate it from the rest of the content. So I'm going to just expand it to take the full width here, and I'm going to make it a little more transparent. Let's say 15, and I'm going to make it less thick. That looks good. And that's it. That's about it for the navigation bar. You can play around with it however you want, but I think I'm gonna just keep it like this. So to get started on actually linking everything here, first let's link the home page. So click on this element, whatever you put here as the home page design, just click on it and then right click or click on the three dots and then click on link. And now over here, you can type in the page name, or you can just click over here, which there's a drop-down list. So make sure you have already named your pages prior to doing this, because it's going to be very, very helpful to identifying which page you want to link to. So I want this to link to home page, so I'm just gonna click on home, and it's gonna make a underline underneath this element. So just get rid of this if you don't want it by clicking Ctrl U on your keyboard or clicking here. And I'm gonna just link the rest of the things here. So I'm gonna click on the three dots here and then link. And then I'm gonna make this go to about and then click done. I'm gonna remove the underline and then go to the next one. You can also click Ctrl K to do this if you find it a little faster. I'm gonna do that, remove the underline, and just like a repetitive process from now. So I'm gonna make the last one here. And that's it. So now we have successfully linked all our navigation elements in our navigation bar. So now if we click any of these in this home page, it should take us to the learn, suggest a video page, which is this one. And yeah, they all should work. But a nice touch that I like to add is to, first of all, let's just actually copy all this. So I'm gonna group all of these elements together so it's easier to copy. So I'm gonna click Ctrl G while selecting everything, or you can right click and then click on group. This should be saying group. I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna just copy it. And let's go to the rest of the pages and just Ctrl V or paste. So I'm gonna paste it here and paste it here as well. And that's it. So now in each page, what I'd like to do is since we're in that page, like right now we're in the about page, I'm gonna make the about button, make it bold. So this will tell the viewer that you currently clicked on this, and it's kind of a interactive little thing you can add to your website, which makes it seem unique. So I'm going to do this for the rest of the website pages in my website here. I'm going to make the learn in this page bold to make viewer know he's in the learn page. And then do this for the last one, which is suggest a video. Let's make this a little bigger so it can fit. And yeah, that's about it. I think the navigation bar is fully finished here. So now we can actually start testing this navigation bar. So you can test your navigation bar by clicking on preview. Click on that, and now you can start clicking on the navigation bar elements. I'm going to click on about. As you can see, it worked, and it also made this bold as well. You can click on learn, suggest a video, and back to homepage as well. And that's it. That's how you can make a custom navigation bar for your Canva website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.